What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna clean, or I'm gonna show you on how to clean the expansion tank. As you can see, there are dirty elements or substance, coolant substance in there. Actually, pagka ang coolant ay masyadong luma na o matagal na siya napalitan, so magpapanis po yung coolant kasi nga meron siyang elements na kind of in the long run it's getting hot, and then hot, cold, and then ang coolant is mapapanis din, no? So pagka smelly na yung coolant, pag bukas ninyo ng cap, radiator cap, and then smelly na siya, then that's the good time to replace or change the coolant. And as you can see here, that's dirty. Okay, so we're gonna clean that one by using this kitchen washing liquid or whatever. So we just pour directly into that, let it soak for around 5-10 minutes, and then one is get done, and then we're gonna clean it with hot water. We're gonna top up with hot water, and also we're gonna, of course, we're gonna have to brush up everything here, like I see. So meron ito yung brush dito, patapon na ito. Clean the surroundings of these things. The surrounding of the expansion tank, we'll just clean, wash it all out. Okay, just soak it with a peri liquid or dishwashing liquid or whatever, because in the long run coolant will contaminate into the engine block, and then it will certainly like eating the aluminum parts of the engine. If it is like very dirty contamination, so it will destroy the engine block inside. So you have to service the coolant, guys, every 3 years. Or if you can smell bad odor on the coolant, the original coolant, like if the coolant is good, then there's no smell. Coolant, no smell. It's not smelly coolant. But in the long run, if the coolant turns to like smelly things, when you open the radiator and you smell the coolant is bad smell, and that's the good indication that the coolant has to be changed, because it loses the like antifreeze, like cooling system that is added up into the like compound or elements that added to the water, so to prevent from like overheating, because coolant is like it will hold like 260 degrees Fahrenheit more or less, and then once it's like overheated and it being used for a long run, so it's time to change. If it is turned to smelly objects, then so soak it 5-10 minutes, and then we're gonna use the brush, clean it inside. I see some video on this one, they put some kind of aluminum or a foil inside, and then they wiggle it, and then no, that's a long process. We just go like a shortcut cleaning here, and then you will see on the result. So 5-10 minutes and we come back. It's off, guys. After 5-10 minutes you will see our expansion tank is getting clean. Okay, using the kitchen dishwashing. Okay, so now we're gonna pour hot water on this one. Soaking it inside the very liquid. Yes, the cups in here. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do, like a DIY cleaning. Of course, if you are in the garage, you can use like a pressurized washer, much better. But if you have no pressurized washer, you can buy pressurized washer, much better. But if you don't have to, then you don't have to. Just clean with DIY cleaning like this, and that will come out with the different result. Okay, so like say, clean up now. Yeah, good result. Now we're gonna wash it. See how it looks. Okay, it's not really perfectly clean, but as you can see, it's not yeah, I can see now it's perfectly clean. Before it wasn't, but now after soaking with the Perry liquid, you can see the transparent in there. You can even see the other side. Gonna do, guys, to clean your expansion tank. Okay, because coolant, obviously in the long run it will be like getting spoiled also, no? Coolant getting spoiled, especially if you buy the cheaper brand or whatever. As you know, coolant, we have different colors like pink, orange, red, green. So regarding to the what kind of coolant you are using on your engine, you might consult your manual's owner's manual, but in general they use pink color. The P.M.Ws, they are using blue coolant. Hyundai, they are using also blue coolant. Volkswagen, as far as I know, all of the Volkswagen engines or engines that are made by Volkswagen, they are using a pink color. Okay, because yeah, you cannot be using different color that is not prescribed for the engine, because coolant have those substance or elements that can destroy the inside the engine block in the long run. It will like kainin niya yung ano, no, yung kanyang metal sa loob pagka unprescribed coolant yung nilagay. So here comes now the hot water now, and then wiggle natin, like shake natin, and you will see the result. It's a good clean thing, and that's how to clean your how clean it is. Okay, that's the result of DIY cleaning using kitchen utensils, guys. That's how the Perry liquid works. Hot water, soak it with very liquid thing, and then hot water, wash it all about, and then that's the result. Super clean. That's how you clean your coolant expansion tank. Thank you very much. Again, you can tell how to tell when the coolant is about to be changed. Coolant, if the coolant smells bad, then that's the time to change the coolant. Thank you. That's it.